In this video, I will show with you step by step how to renew Kuwait driving lessons online. So if you wanted to do this option, follow me in this video. You have to Google search for this keyword, click the first website here. When you click this first website, you will see this page. So in this case, download this file. You will see this require or this all details. You should be an ID copy on the civil. Download this file. When you download, you will redirect it to this form online. In this form online, you have this number of civil, you have this repair number, your names and your residence and your date of birthday. You have all details as you can see here. Your photo, you should be uploaded your photos, your name. For example, this is my name, and then write your all birthday dates. Choose your birthday dates, your phone number here. After that, write your address, home address, your license type, your phone number, and then your signatures here. After that, complete this form as you can see here. And then when you upload it and complete this form as you can see here, you can successfully renew, and then this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. For Kuwait here, write your ID, all details here, reference number, and then submit your details. Basically, this is how you can do, friends. Fill all this information, and I hope this guide helpful for you.